How to fix Instagram Reels option not showing. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem, it's so easy. Just go to the settings on your phone and then scroll all the way down until you find apps. Go to the apps manager. Now this is the apps page where you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do here is scroll all the way down until you find Instagram. Click here on Instagram. Now click here on the force stop option. After that, click on the storage option down here and click on the clear data and clear cache. Now you have to do the most important thing is open the Play Store on your phone like this, and then all what you have to do now here is search for Instagram and click here on this update option. After you update your Instagram, you will get this option of the Reels. Don't forget to like, subscribe.